Hey, Spirit Boosters. Hey, Spirit Boosters. It is I, Miss Janita, in the kitchen, trying to do some cleaning up. I'm in the dirty stove. Y'all see my dirty oven? Look at the door. I just replaced this thing right here. This. It was, I don't know, was it $30? The line, not a lining, a gasket. The oven door gasket. It was burnt, tore up. So I replaced it. And I bought this tool I got from Amazon to tighten up the screws on the door. It's a funny name. Screwdriver. It looked like this on the end. I don't know if y'all can, it's not focusing, but it's so funny. I forgot the name of it. Dang, this thing need to be, hold up y'all. Spirit Boosters, I was interrupted. I'm back. And while I'm cleaning this oven, I just got some items up here that I did a small little haul. That cereal not included. But I'm using that Zep. I just got that. I'm trying to clean this dirty oven. I got some Easy Off now. But trying to see how well this degrease stuff works. Y'all ever tried it? Oh, got my husband 2 boxes of these mini cans of Pepsi. He wanted that size, got it for him. I do all kind of stuff for my husbands. And I got 4 packs of this Kato salami. I've been trying to buy this stuff forever. Walmart kept being sold out and other stores didn't have it. So I finally got my hands on some. I got 4 packs. 3 going in the freezer, 1 in the refrigerator. Y'all like that? I like this salami. I don't care. I know I need to be watching what I eat, but I have to have a treat every now and then. And salami gonna be one of those treats. A fried salami sandwich? Get out here. Don't tell me no more. So good. Y'all like salami? Let me know in the comments. But back to this oven. Yeah, I am gonna put some Easy Off on it. I got them, you probably can't tell, but down at the bottom of the oven, I put those covers down there that I got from Amazon. It's in a previous video, probably in the gadget, in my gadget playlist, where I'm saying cook with these gadgets might be in there. But yeah, I had that down there, so it's pretty good. It ain't burn up or nothing, but all the little stuff that used to fall on the floor of the oven is now falling on that little sheet, protective sheet down there. And I do got a few crumbs up in the front because I think I should have had it pulled. No, yeah, I should have had it pulled forward. So that means I got to spread a little Easy Off. Well, on the walls, and I show, y'all, this old dirty door. I've been scratching on it so it don't look as bad anymore. Yep, I got my rag. Y'all seen I had 50 billion rags in one of my previous videos. So rags are not issue. Cleaning, I got my doodle bug, which when I used to be a custodian, they call it a doodle bug. You put your rag on top of it, and you can hit a whole wall in a few minutes. So I got the scrubbing floor. I got the stick. I got the, what is it called? Lieberman's. It's a long handle floor scrubber. And it's amazing around those toilets. I don't know, I might have mentioned this in the previous video, huh? So, I know I got the Sony and all that old stuff, but hey, stuff gotta be clean, I gotta take my time. It's gonna take me forever. I'll be clean until next year, huh? And I do, I don't know, some kind of way I need to sell these Christmas items. I don't want no more. And I need to do a yard sale or something. Because I got a lot of Christmas stuff that I don't want. And I need to get rid of. I don't want to just give it away at the Goodwill. I need some money back. It's just, let me see, it's those wooden, what is them little things called? I forgot what they call. Like the little what is it, drummer boys, or I forgot what it's called. It's like when you get those Santa Clauses, but not the Santa Claus, it's the other little wooden soldiers. But they not soldiers. They bakers. Dang, I forgot what them things called. Y'all probably, some of y'all might know what I'm talking about. But I don't want all them things anymore. And some of this other stuff I'm just gonna put in the trash. I got this big old giant Christmas 3-pack box of it's look like Christmas gifts, a gift box. It's 3 of them and they light up. I think it go out on your yard. I need to get rid of that. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's just got glitter and stuff on it. It's pretty though. And I got, I don't know, quite a few things. I just don't need all this stuff. I'm decluttering, major decluttering. Boy, major decluttering. And I got downsized. Only thing I'm crazy, hard to do is my crafting stuff, like materials, tools and all that stuff. I just gonna have to arrange that stuff to make it fit in less than 5-6 of those dang cubic boxes. I just got to do major decluttering. So I want to just thank y'all, welcome y'all back to the channel. Looking loose, passing-bys, trolleys, visitors. Thanks again for your continued support by coming through here and checking out my video. And I appreciate that because it's helping my view count. And the thumbs up, whether up or down, it is something that I am receiving that supports my channel, whether good or bad. The bad is letting me know, hey, that you might not agree with me. That's the only thing that means. When you get a thumbs up, thumbs down, most of the time folks are saying, well, hey, I don't agree with what you're just saying, sharing, and whatever. But when you get thumbs up, most of the time it means people, you know, they like what you're doing, saying, sharing, and stuff like that. That's what I believe. But anyway, if y'all believe something else, just say so in the comments. Anything y'all want to say, you know, leave comments, friendly comments, advice comments, suggestions. If you disagree with something, friendly argument. You could agree to disagree and all that old good stuff. Like some of y'all didn't like me, my stuff being, telling me you didn't like how my stuff was organized. Well, it's fine that you don't like it, but you don't live here. So it's fine that you don't like what you see, but I am handling this situation over here as best I can. You know, if you have forgotten, that Miss Janita has a disability, in pain. Most of the time I'm in some pain, and so I gotta do stuff, you know, in moderation, and what ain't getting done at your pace or what you see would like for folks to be as organized as yourself sometimes, or it just ain't happening because everybody ain't like everybody. Everybody don't have the strength. They're not as healthy or healthy. And so when you have opinions about things, you need to consider all and everything. You got to get out the box. You got to let your explore. You got to have imagination and thinking what would make a person not do or be. You got to consider maybe that person has some, you know, some things like, I don't know, I don't want to say certain stuff, I'll just say keep it at disabilities. Or they might have something going on in their life where they can't handle certain things at the particular time. And so we out here putting our lives, most of the people put their lives more out there than others. And yes, people gonna judge and criticize because, hey, it's all entertainment and that's what it's out here for. You getting entertained, you getting pleased, you getting uplifted. Like over here on the Spirit Booster channel, the folks over here, the Spirit Booster, is basically a place where you can come and voice your opinion. And it's basically people sharing information that is appreciated and most definitely wanted and needed. Sharing stuff, what's going on, so folks can know what to do, get or not. And that's, some valuable information. Now, I know y'all staring inside of a dirty oven. Let me take you back up here. Oh, my God. Let me see. I don't know if let me see. How do I flip this thing around? Look at me trying to flip around. I don't know how to flip. I forgot how to flip this thing around. Oh, well. Anyway, one day. But, that'll be one more thing for folks to talk about. Oh, look at Miss Janita all on camera. Toe up from the floor up. No, I'm not. Only in your opinion I look toe for the floor. But for me this morning, I am just as comfortable as the next person that just wakes up looking comfortable. But anyway, I'm get out here. I just wanted to share with y'all what I'm doing is trying, do my little cleaning. And yes, I'm doing it while in pain, or I take my little aspirins and knock it down, all that stuff. So when you come over here, I know a lot of people ain't gonna probably see this video to hear what I just said previously about why some people can't do stuff at people's, pace or in a timely manner or satisfying folks' desires or what they want to see. And there's lots of channels on YouTube that you could go somewhere and see folks where they all organized and all that stuff like that. Or when they got their food, sharing groceries, and just so happens something is in a position where you can't quite see it. Things like that happen. Like I say, I might have been in pain. I'm just struggling to put myself, and everything is not where you can see it, like that baloney up there. Y'all probably can't see that. Well, I ain't got my glasses on right now, and I apologize, but I'm telling you, it's Oscar Mayer Cotco salami made with chicken, beef, and pork. Original. 16 ounce. And it's good till the end of May, but I'm about to freeze that good salami. I love it. But like I say, it's just a treat. But I'm going to get out here. Y'all have a great day. And remember, think before you judge and criticize. Think what you're going to say before you say it, or just let it fly out your mouth. You heard the message? Well, if it's stuff just fly out your mouth, be ready for the consequences. Now, you got the nerve, you got the gut, you got the courage to do and say what you saying. You're going to have some flack back. So, anyway, y'all. The tip, stay in survival mode, crisis mode, and dang, it's early, y'all. Stay in last plate mode. I know I'm forgetting a really, really good one. Fair game mode, last plate mode. Stay definitely in prepper mode, because stuff going on, something going on. Long lines. You ain't got no change. You know what I think about that change thing? I think people they got most of the folks stuff on cards now, because they trying to get rid of people with cash and stuff. They don't want you using coins and cash anymore. They want you using cards so they can keep up with your identity, allegedly. All right, y'all, I'm out. Leave y'all thoughts in the comment section. Bye. One more thing, I am in here slowly, moderately, organizing my shelves where I keep my stock of overfill of food. This is some oil and some of the broth. Now, on over this side, it'll be a minute before I get over there. But right now, this is all the oil we have left, which is not enough. And this is all the broth we have left, which is not enough. And what I'm trying to say, dang, it went in my head and out my head. But anyway, okay, I guess it won't be told because I can't remember. All right, but this is just a little sample of what I'm doing for a minute here. And that's about it for today. You know the tip, stay in survival mode, crisis mode. And dang, it's early, y'all. Stay in last plate mode. I know I'm forgetting a really, really good one. Fair game mode, last plate mode. Stay definitely in prepper mode, because stuff going on. Something going on. Something going on. Something going on. Long lines. You ain't got no change. You know what I think about that change thing? I think now you know people they got most of the folks stuff on cards now, because they trying to get rid of people with cash and stuff. They don't want you using coins and cash anymore. They want you using cards so they can keep up with your identity, allegedly. All right, y'all, I'm out. Leave y'all thoughts in the comment section. Bye.